In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Squarespace. By the end, you'll have your store ready to accept credit and debit card payments, and in many cases, Apple Pay, right at checkout. Start by logging into your Squarespace dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Settings. Scroll down to the Selling section and choose Payments. This is where all your checkout and processor options live. Under Payment Processors, select Connect Stripe. Squarespace will hand you off to Stripe in a new window or tab. If you already have a Stripe account, simply sign in and authorize Squarespace to connect. You'll see a prompt to confirm that you want to allow Squarespace to accept payments on your behalf. Approving this securely links the two platforms so checkout can route card payments through Stripe. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, Stripe will guide you through creating one. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your business information, banking details, and contact info. It helps to have your legal business name and bank account details ready, and to make sure they match official records to avoid verification delays. Stripe may ask for industry type, business address, and ownership details as part of standard compliance. Take your time here and double-check everything. Accurate info ensures a smooth setup and timely payouts. When you've completed these steps, Stripe will return you to Squarespace. Back in the payment screen, you'll see Stripe listed as your connected payment processor. That's your confirmation that the connection worked. In this same area, you can also enable Apple Pay and other card options supported by Stripe. Apple Pay availability can depend on your country, device, and browser, so if you don't see it right away, that's normal. Just check the toggle options provided in the Payments section. From this point forward, your Squarespace store will process card payments through Stripe at checkout. Customers won't have to leave your site to pay, and you'll manage payouts and fees through your Stripe account. If you don't see Stripe as connected after completing the prompts, refresh the page or return to Settings, Selling, Payments to confirm the status. Make sure you're working in the correct site if you manage multiple Squarespace websites. That's it. You've connected Stripe to Squarespace, enabled secure card payments, and set yourself up for a smoother checkout experience. If you ever need to update your payment settings, just return to the Payments section in Settings and adjust options as needed.